Hi guys, so today we are going to review this foundation that I used today. It is Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. I am in the shade Golden Beige and it has 30 ml of product and the MRP of this one is 599, but I got it on sale. So it costed me around 420 something. You can get it much cheaper if you will buy it on sale times. So I would recommend you to buy it if you're looking for a drugstore daily wear foundation because it will give you medium to buildable coverage. If it says it is photo focus, then I can say yes, whatever pictures I have taken with flash on, it has not given me any flashback effect. And again, I do not see any kind of unevenness on my skin after applying it. Though I have heard few people saying that it get oxidized on their skin. That is not the case with me, I guess, because it's been around 3 hours and it has not yet oxidized on me. So I will give it a thumbs up on that ground. Again, it has nice shade range, so I expect you will get your shade match easily. I think it is formulated according to Indian skin tone because it has some darker shades for rich skin tones too. So if you are from that category, then I guess you will get it easily. The only thing that irritates me is the smell of this product. It has a really strong fragrance like a paint. पेंट एज इन जो दरवाजे पे पेंट करने के लिए और लकड़ी पे पेंट करने के लिए पेंट आता है, सेम स्मेल इट हैज़ एंड व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग इट विद द यूज ऑफ दिस स्पैचुला ऑन योर फेस, बहुत तेज़ स्मेल है. नेल पॉलिश रिमूवर से भी तेज़ स्मेल है इसका. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इंग्रेडिएंट दे हैव पुट इन इट. If you are conscious about the smell of any product, then I would suggest you to stay away from this because it has a really strong smell. At first I got really disturbed with the smell of the product, but then when I blended it, the smell totally got vanished. Now I would like to compare this with Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless foundation because that has the same price range and again the same medium to buildable coverage, and that is also available in the same shade range. I guess it has a shelf life of 3 years. 3 years is a good time to finish 30 ml of the product. Decent price for a foundation like this, regular daily wear foundation, that will give you a decent coverage. And if you're looking for a full coverage, then definitely you will go ahead and make it full coverage by building it up. Today I applied only one layer of the foundation and I think it has done a pretty nice job on my skin. And again, if you are from dry skin family, then I will suggest you to moisturize your skin really well because this could be trying for you if you're not having using any good moisturizer beneath it, because it is, I can't say it is a dewy foundation because as much as I have experience, I feel it is a matte foundation. This is again cruelty free. That is a big factor for me because it is not tried and tested on animals. So if you are looking for any cruelty free brand, then go for Wet n Wild. So I feel it is a very decent product to have at this price range. So I would highly recommend you if you want to buy any pocket friendly foundation for yourself, because it will not burn your pockets, and again it will give you a nice finish as you can see. So that's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you do, please do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your family and friends. And if you want to see any particular review about certain product, please leave a comment below. I would love to do that for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.